What do you want to say? I'm shaking. Someone blocked her shine. And I'm Mcbrown. I said it. This is karma. This is how you are going to face it. Your arm that you keep facing pain. They tell you go to hellfire without dying. You consistently keep facing pain on earth, spending money, time, energy on things that are not supposed to distract you, but they are distracting you. You hardly find happy days this time. You are always facing stress, overthinking. It's because of the death, the painful death you put someone through. But spirit, what is the reason why Nanama would do this to her friend? She just wants to keep someone trapped so that she can move forward. What should Nanama expect if she refuses to do what we are requesting of her? The death card. Exactly what you did to your friend. Hello world, it's Akosia Virgo Moon Goddess, and today's reading is for Susie Williams, the Ghanaian actress. Today I have to do a reading for her, and I didn't expect this. So she said she wants to give Ghanaians clarity so that she can have victory. What messages do you have for Ghanaians, Susie? Susie Williams. What messages do you have for Ghanaians? What do you want to say? I'm shaking. I'm shaking. So someone saw how abundant she was becoming in her work field. Someone saw how she was cropping, she was reaping from her work field. Clarify the Oshun. Yes, clarification for this card. We have the Ace of Pentacles. So someone was seeing this. Someone was seeing that she was making money out of this situation. So this person rushed in quickly to join, and as this person rushed in, they saw that their investment wasn't moving, their time, the energy wasn't paying like they thought, and because of that they had to betray her. Whoever this energy is put her in this situation, put us in crisis. She was attacked. She was attacked. Show me more. Susie Williams, what do you want to say? Show me more. See, the enslaved prisoner in the reversed. Someone thought she could just jump into the movie industry and make it work like it worked for her. And this is what the person did to her. An enslaved prisoner. This person totally tied her down, turned her head upside down till she lose her life. She was burdened. Look at how she was forced to step on fire. Look, the 10 of fire, and this is fire someone is stepping in. So she was forced to step in fire till she got to her grave. Why? Why is human heart wicked? Susie Williams was forced to step in this fire by force. She was tied down. I smell something in my nose. Show me more. Clarify the enslaved prisoner. Clarify the enslaved prisoner. The Lover's card in the reversed. So someone pretended to love her, to be close to her so that they can be partners. This is a partnership, so that they can work together as partners. Someone was very close to her. This is a Queen of Wands, someone who is very beautiful and very hardworking. Someone is very hardworking. Whoever was partners with this Suzy Williams, she's a female energy. She's very beautiful. She has fair skin color and very hardworking. Look, she's very hardworking. Whoever did this to Suzy Williams is hardworking. I said it twice. I said it from looking from this card, because the Queen of Wands is an entrepreneur, a woman who works hard, a woman who doesn't have time to gossip and stuff. She's straightforward with her work. Even if it is prostitution, she's busy doing that. She doesn't have time for any other thing than her work. And this person was envious. Look, this person is looking at the money. You can see someone focusing on the money. Clarify the 10 of fire in the reversed. This person is very deceptive and sneaky, very smart. This person is living happily, enjoying life, growth. This person is experiencing all type of growth surrounding her. And Susie is surprised that someone could do this to her and still stay happily without thinking about their actions, forgetting that light can be shined on what they've done. And it's time to shine light on this sneakiness. This is the sun card, and when the sun comes, all the darkness disappear. So we are shining the light. You can see the Hermit card here, researching for knowledge, researching for the answers, and having a light up there. So we are shining light on what everyone was researching for. There is light here, there is light here. We are shining it on someone's sneaky, deceptive, and insecure ways. Someone is very insecure in her ways. That's what I'm hearing. She's very insecure. Show me more. You know, we have criminals, plenty criminals right under our nose. So it's dangerous. It's very dangerous in Ghana here not to speak. It is dangerous. It's time for all of us to speak about what's going on, what's not right, so that it can reduce. It can completely stop. Because when liars start seeing that they don't have any place in the universe, they would also change and join the right ones. Someone blocked her shine. Someone stopped her shine. Look. Someone blocked her. This is how someone did to her when she was trying to shine. And this is someone in her 40s. 40s to 50s. This person blocked her shine just to fulfill her own wishes. Just to be able to live a luxury lifestyle. So in order to fulfill her wishes, this is how she has to end. The death card, the 10 of swords, dead. Dead, completely dead from the universe. Dead. Mcbrown. The 9 of swords. I said it. This is karma. This is how you are going to face it. This is the arm, your arm that you keep facing pain. You see, when they tell you go to hellfire without dying, you consistently keep facing pain on earth, spending money, time, energy on things that are not supposed to distract you, but they are distracting you. This is karma. This is why you don't, with all the money you have, you still can't protect yourself from whatever you are facing today. Everything, all the chaos you are facing in life today, regardless of how successful and how everything you have today, you can't save yourself. This is karma. Karma. Protection has been taken off you. Clarify the 9 of fire. The unknown has catch up with you. That's why you always have sleepless night. You hardly find happy days this time. You are always facing stress, overthinking. You are always facing it. It's because of the death, the painful death you put someone through. You cause chaos for Ghanaians. The 6 of air. You have to open up, speak about these things, open up on the chaos, the sudden chaos. This is a sudden change you have to go through for stopping someone from reaching their destination. You are under the water. This is her. You were looking, look at your eyes. You were looking at what you were doing. Because you thought you were in the driver's seat. You were in control. So you stopped someone from moving forward. From going to their destination. You stopped them. We need you to speak. But Spirit, what is the reason why Nanama would do this to her friend? What was her reasons? We've already said everything, but I still want to know what was her reasons. She's just afraid and she just wants to stop someone. She just wants to keep someone trapped so that she can move forward. And people have always seen this. People have always spoke about it. And others were defending her blindly. Only swords are showing here. Swords. What should she expect if she refuses to speak and do what is right? What should she expect? Chaos. What should Nanama expect if she refuses to do what we are requesting of her? The death card. Exactly what you did to your friend will happen to you. And no one should dare fucking help her. I don't have anything against anyone. But when it's like having kids, you can't love one more and love one less. Exactly what you did to her is what you'll be served. You asked for that painful situation. So what do you expect to be served? What? The happy life? No, you didn't ask for that. Like, you don't have any positive card coming out for you. The same thing you did to your friend is coming towards you. All those around you will stand up against you. They are the same people who will betray you. They are the same people who will put you in a situation where you won't understand. Like the way this spirit is confused and talking about it today. That's how people are going to treat you back. You will face your karma. Show me more. You have to apologize, Ghanaians. You have to apologize to Ghanaians for keeping them blind and confused and indecisive for this long. Because when people speak about the situation, they end up getting insulted or they feel like they are childish or they are petty. It's petty that I'm hearing. They are petty. That's why they are confused about you. But now it's time to serve justice in this confused situation. You have to clear people's doubts. What you did, explain it. Because even if you don't explain it, you will still be forced to explain it. I'm tired of all these people. You can't even love anyone anymore. Because at the end of the day, they are hiding something. They are hiding things. They are hiding crazy things that can hospitalize you if you hear about them. Susie Williams keeps pointing at her finger. How they hurt her, she's trying to say it to you. Because you are a close person, she could have said it to. What the Nensa wo ho, Nensa we wo ho, eye ne ya, ne more no etufa mu, and answer bibi ya ne more no ti ya wo, Nensa no man or di wukoye, or it might have been something they injected also through her hands, apart from something they pushed through her nose. They pushed something through her nose. Yesterday I was channeling these messages. I wanted to speak about it yesterday, but I stopped. I was channeling these messages yesterday and I wrote it down. They pushed something hot, itchy substance into her nose and it went straight into her head and it smells like... I couldn't finish it. I was becoming afraid of the situation because of how it was looking so real and how I was channeling it. It looked so clear on how they were doing everything. I just had to withdraw from the situation. I didn't go back to it till I was forced to pick camera and speak about it, and I'm doing it now. Self-justice on Susie Williams. Self-justice on her. All these people are not calling because I need attention. They are calling because they need justice. Justice must be served. And even if nobody serves them justice, karma is serving them justice now. They will face it. They will face everything. You will see it clearly for what they've done so that nobody will repeat their steps.
Poku One TV.